Okay, so in the past I had to replace the rear seat cover from the driver's seat. As few parts that were broken or few areas. That one I never replaced it because it's in one piece. However, as I'm refurbishing that Corvette, I wanted that to be in pristine conditions. And if you can see those scratches right here, they're not very aesthetic, even if it's on the back side. You know, it's bugging me. We see that from the side, and I just wanted to look as clean as possible. So what I'm going to show you, and hopefully it should work just nice and neat. 2 screws on the bottom. We're going to take it apart and get it painted. Then you just lift it. Here we go. And snap that from the rear tabs. That's all you need. So you still see the mark of the scratch. However, it blends in a lot better. The price are ranging from like $52 on Corvette mod to Acre at $70 a piece. This is still the original. I use maybe a fifth of a black can of paint. I think it's a very wise investment to get such results in no amount of time. Can of paint is like $4 or $5. I use a fifth of it, so let's say that's a $1 fix compared to an average of like over $60 tax included. So hope you liked it and hope it gives you ideas to refurbish or restore your Corvette or any other car. Thanks guys.